everyone, this is Sakura Yubi. Today I'm going to show you how to make stir-fried udon noodles, or what we called Yaki Udon in Japanese. Yaki means fried or burned, so we're gonna fry udon noodles until they're a bit burned. I make this all the time because it's very easy and quick to make and very delicious. My mother used to make this dish when I was a child, so this dish brings me back memories. So let's get started. First, we'll prepare sauce. In a small bowl, add soy sauce, sake, water, and dashi powder. Mix well and set aside. Okay, let's start frying. Turn the heat to medium and add some oil on the pan. We'll fry pork slices first. Use any pork slices you have on hand. This is optional, but I had marinated my pork slices with a little bit of Shio Koji for about 24 hours. This will soften the meat and bring out umami. Separate the meat slices on the pan and fry them until halfway. Now we add some of the veggies, the ones that take longer to cook. I'm adding carrot, shiitake mushroom, and some hard parts of cabbage. Use any vegetables you like though. I also like to use bean sprouts instead of what I'm using today. Now the veggies are cooked halfway, let's go ahead and add udon noodles. I'm using fresh udon noodles here. Now let's add the sauce. The sauce will help separate the noodles faster. Try to separate the noodles on the pan like this. If the sauce gets dried out too quickly, add some water. Okay, the noodles are all separated. Let's stir fry this on high heat. We want the sauce to dry out and burn a little bit on the noodles. This will create that nice charred soy sauce flavor. Add the rest of the veggies now and keep stirring. Check the taste and make final adjustments. I added some salt and pepper. Give it a final stir. You see some of the noodles are a bit burned on the surface? That's what we want. Let's serve the noodles on a plate and sprinkle some bonito flakes. They add some really nice fragrance and flavor. Okay, it's done. Let's go ahead and eat. This was so good. That charred soy sauce and dashi creates such a deep and gentle flavor. The Shio Koji marinated pork is soft and flavorful. And these thick and chewy udon noodles, they are so satisfying. I hope you will give this a try and let me know how it went. I think you will love it. And that is it for today. Check out sakurayubi.com for the ingredient amounts. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. It will mean the world to me. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!